And here we have Waverly. She is creating her project, which is a little plushie that's a kitty cat. Say hi, Waverly. With her very own sewing machine. Okay, and you just follow the pink line. You slowly move it forward.
Voila.
Voila, good job, nice ears. And Presley's gonna do a project in a minute where she is gonna make some ears out of some felt. Yay! Let's see this beautiful creation. Oh, you got some more to stitch, right? Good job. She's following the little pink stitching line as she finishes making a kitty cat. And she knows how to turn the power on and off. Wow. I think because you turned the machine around, you might be going backwards, sweetie. Turn it off.